Welcome to Food Story Kitchen in downtown LA. My name is Yoko Isaji. In this video, I like to show how to make a tahini ginger sauce, which goes great with shabu-shabu meat, fish, and sashimi like Thai snapper. Also, by adding a little more roasted sesame oil and vinegar, you can turn this sauce into dressing. So let's start. This is what my lunch looks like today. Chicken with tahini ginger sauce, red cabbage salad, chicken soup made from boiling chicken with kombu, and Hijiki multigrain rice bowl. By using a kombu stock, this is my favorite way to cook chicken breast as well as turning kombu stock into delicious chicken broth. The key is selecting a perfect size pot that allows the amount of kombu stock to completely cover the chicken breast. Once we place chicken covered up with boiling water, we place the lid, turn off the heat, then we time it for 20 minutes. We don't even need to watch over the heat. Isn't that great? While waiting for the chicken to be ready, we prepare for other dishes. Grate ginger more than a tablespoon and squeeze with your finger to get ginger juice. You can add some grounded sesame seeds to thicken the sauce. For the soup, I'm using maitake mushroom, separated into smaller pieces by hand. Chop nira, Asian chives that have a similar pungent smell like garlic. And mince onion. Once the chicken is done, I will add them to cook for a while in the soup and adjust the taste with soy sauce and white pepper. 20 minutes has passed. Both chicken and chicken broth is done. Making of tahini ginger sauce. This was my second trial using tahini for making this dressing, as I usually use Japanese sesame paste. It turns out great, and I like how tahini is easy to scoop out and mix with other seasonings. For Hijiki rice, I added half tablespoon dried Hijiki to 1 rice cup after rinsing them and cook together. I like adding Hijiki into rice as it's one of the easiest ways for me to eat sea vegetables. Now we just need to plate everything. For the salad, I used shiokoji pickled red cabbage, carrot, and papita, which I pickled overnight, then added more tender greens right before serving. If you've taken seafood market class or Japanese cooking 101, we use shiokoji for pickling. Anyone remember? Use that and turn into salad. And that's what I often do at home. This is ryu, spicy oil we often use for gyoza. You can also add chili oil to spice it up this tahini ginger sauce. But today I didn't mix into the sauce, so I'm drizzling on top of the chicken. The meal is ready. いただきます。And thank you for watching. And please stay in touch.